In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself needing a flexible invoicing option where you can bill clients incrementally based on project phases or completion percentage, then you're in the right place. Progress invoicing allows you to do just that, and I'm here to guide you through the setup process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred web browser and enter the QuickBooks Online URL in the address bar. Once the page has loaded, simply click on the Sign In button. This is typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which QuickBooks product you are using. Select QuickBooks Online to proceed. At this point, you will need to enter your credentials. This includes your email or user ID and your password. After entering your information correctly, click Continue to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the settings of your account to enable progress invoicing. Start by clicking on the gear icon, which is usually found at the upper right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This section is crucial as it contains all the necessary customization and configuration options for your QuickBooks experience. After entering the Account and Settings section, look for the Sales tab on the left sidebar and click on it. This will direct you to the sales-related settings where you'll find the configurations associated with invoicing, sales forms, and preferences. Within the Sales tab, you'll see an option labeled Progress Invoicing. Click on it to access the specific setting that will let you create partial invoices. Now here's the important part. Once you are in the progress invoicing settings, you need to turn on the feature that allows you to create multiple partial invoices from a single estimate. This is what enables progress invoicing in your QuickBooks account. Finally, after enabling progress invoicing and confirming that it's turned on, don't forget to click the Save button. This will save all the changes you've made and ensure that progress invoicing is actively available for your future transactions. With this feature now enabled, you can manage projects more effectively and maintain cash flow throughout the course of a long-term job. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. This feature is an invaluable tool for businesses that work on projects over a period of time and need to invoice clients in stages. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.